In the name of Allah, who is the first and last, Honorable Chairman, respected Principal, my dear teachers, and my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. Today, I am here in front of you to deliver a speech on a very important topic. We are living better than ever, but we still complain. Earlier man lived in caves and forest, ate leaves, lit fire with stones, used tree leaves and animal skin for clothing. There was no roof to live in, no clothes to wear, but no man has built a building. He has cultivated crops with constant effort and dedication. He has reached the heights of the sky, and it is possible to prevent dangerous diseases. Despite this, we still complain. Is this not mercy of Allah? My dear audience, in the era of ignorance, when there was chaos everywhere, people were thirsty for each other's blood, daughters were buried alive. Everywhere there was murder, robbery, injustice, there was no peace. My dear audience, Allah sent His Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, who brought mankind out of this deep darkness. My dear audience, tell me, is this not blessing of Allah? Despite this, why we still complain? My dear audience, our homeland Pakistan is the result of countless martyrdoms. Sisters sacrificed their brother, mothers buried their beloved sons for this homeland. Where we are independent, can live as we wish, can build our own places of worship, can follow our own custom and tradition, can follow our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My dear audience, if this country was not there, just think, if this not country, just think, we could be living in this era of slavery. How difficult it would be to live. This country is the blessing of Allah Almighty, but unfortunately, still we do not value it. When you complain, you make yourself a victim. Leave the situation, change the situation, or accept it. In today's world, we are surrounded by incredible advancement that make our lives better than ever before. My dear audience, now we have home to lives, clothes to wear, cooked food to eat. Every day we wake up in cozy beds, enjoy clean water, have the privilege to connect with people all around the world instantly. We can pursue our dreams, learn anything, and can travel to far off places. Man has made the world a global village through internet. Thanks for your precious time.